A young man sat inside a tiny garage, surrounded by books, computers, and a dream nobody believed in. At that time, the internet was still new. Most people did not trust online shopping. They preferred physical stores. They wanted to touch products before buying them. But this young man saw the future differently. While others saw uncertainty, he saw opportunity. Before starting his company, he carefully studied what products could work online. Many ideas came and went. But one category stood out: books. Because millions of books existed, and no physical store could hold them all. But an online store could. That simple idea changed his life forever. He left his stable, high-paying job to build something risky. Many people thought he was making a huge mistake. Friends doubted him. Experts laughed at the idea. But he understood something powerful. Sometimes, great success begins with uncomfortable decisions. He and his wife started working from a tiny garage. Money was limited. Employees were few. And orders were painfully slow. Sometimes, they waited all day for a single customer. But whenever one order arrived, the entire team celebrated. Because every customer mattered. But the company's real secret was not books. It was customer obsession. While most businesses focused on profits first, this company focused on trust first. The founder believed, if customers had the best experience possible, they would return forever. So the company became obsessed with small details: lower prices, fast delivery, simple shopping experience, customer reviews, easy returns. Everything was designed to make customers happy. The founder even kept an empty chair in meetings. That chair represented the customer. It reminded employees to think from the customer's perspective. But success still did not come easily. For years, the company lost money. Critics attacked it constantly. Investors doubted the business. Some people believed the company would fail completely. But while others focused on short-term profits, the founder focused on long-term growth. That became the company's hidden strategy: patience. Instead of keeping profits, the company reinvested everything back into expansion. More warehouses were built. Technology improved. Delivery became faster. And slowly, the small bookstore became much bigger. The company understood something important. People love convenience. People want things faster. People want things easier. So the company removed every difficulty from shopping. One-click ordering, fast shipping, smart recommendations, simple returns. Every improvement built more trust. And trust became their biggest weapon. But another secret was hidden behind the scenes. Most people thought the company only sold products. But it was secretly becoming a technology giant. It built powerful systems, advanced logistics, massive data centers, and world-class software. Step by step, the small garage startup transformed into one of the most powerful companies in the world. And the story teaches us something important. Big dreams often look foolish in the beginning. People may laugh at your ideas. People may doubt your vision. But success belongs to people who continue anyway. That tiny online bookstore eventually became Amazon. And the man behind it was Jeff Bezos. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to Success Capsule.